Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here, coming at you from the garage here with a new toy I picked up the other day. Well, okay, it's not a new toy, but I was over, there's an industrial surplus place in Lebanon, Indiana, and I picked up this Weatherguard toolbox here for next to nothing. This is the 8-foot version, so it's a little on the big side. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to cut it in half and make it 2 4-foot boxes, or if I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as an 8-foot box. But I looked these guys up and they're like, you know, $1,200 or so. But yeah, I ended up getting this thing for $500. The only thing wrong with it, and it's not really wrong with it, it's just this end here is kind of crunched in. It still, you know, is just perfectly fine. It's just kind of ugly. But so $1,200 versus $500. So I was pretty pleased. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this in my black truck. What I'm going to do is just cut the weld on this side here and see if I can straighten this guy out. Looks like it's bent around here. So I think I'm just going to like zip this seam out of it here and just see what I can do about fixing this. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I'm pretty thrilled to have gotten this for as cheap as I did. Alright, well, hit this guy with a stainless wire brush and a little bit of clear spray paint there, and you will never know. I was just running 030 wire here in the Multimatic with the Spoolmate 150 here, and yeah, I'm gonna go mount this sucker in my truck. I'm pretty excited about it. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and hope everybody has a good weekend.